Hello everyone! Take an orange cake and then take a little stick and then make lines out of it as such. It should look like bricks. In between each of the lines, take the white frosting and then add to it as such. Cut out a small part of it and then make it stand. At the top of it, add some white frosting, then spread it out as such. Take a strawberry on a stick and then line it with some green frosting all around. Add this tree to the top and then add little specks of red to make it look all the more better. Add Santa to the top as well. Next, take a green cake and then take your flattening object, add white frosting to the top and then spread it about. Add little white dots to the bottom as well. Take a strawberry and then use it as a hat as well. Make a little snowman out of this. Now take another strawberry and then add green leaves to the tree as such. Stick it at the top of the cake. Add little gifts all around to make it look all the more better. Next, take some red frosting and then take a white cake. Add a little stick figure diagram on it and then add the details of the Christmas season. We have chosen to add red and white as such. Once you finish it, this is what it should look like. Next, start off by taking your cake and then take the colors red and green in spirit of Christmas. Then line it alternatively all around the cake. Add little white beads all at the top and then add Merry Christmas in the center. Add snowflakes on the sides. Now take a heart-shaped stencil and then mark it. Then take some white frosting and then make it at the bottom. Attach it to two small threads as well. Then make the heart out of some peachish colored frosting. Underneath it, make it cream in color and then once you reach the bottom, make it ivory colored as such. This is what it should look like. Now for our next cake, start off by adding pink to the bottom of it. Then spread it out using any sort of flattening object as such. Now continue to smoothen it to make it look all the more better. Add 3 more layers to it as well. Then add some frosting to the top. In the center, add peach colored swirls. Decorate it as much as you can. Next, take a blue cake and then add flower-like shapes to part of it. Now do this all around and then make multiple of these. You needn't add a center unless you want to as well. Add little specks of white. Next, take a cream colored cake and then at the top of it, add some frosting in yellow. Smoothen it out. Now, surrounding this yellow, make little orange spots as well. Then add the ears, add the mouth and then add the whiskers as well. Once you are done with this, draw on the little bear in the side. At the top of it, add a little hat to it. There you have it. Thank you for watching.